week ago, I sent in a permit request to backpack the Grand Canyon, and they were like, no promises, but we have one opening for March 7th. I just got an email that we got the permit. Yay! Woo! So our first backpacking trip is going to be in the Grand Canyon. Yay!
This is going to be awesome.
What now?
We got to go buy gear. I guess we got to figure out how we're going to get backpacking gear in the next couple days. That's so awesome. I'm so stoked. I wanted to backpack for so long, and we finally got the opportunity to do it. But this is going to be the sickest way to start it off, by backpacking in the Grand Canyon. Neither of us have been to the Grand Canyon. Neither of us have backpacked.
It's going to be a whole new experience. It's going to be a
wild experience.
I'm so excited! Woo!
All right, let's do everything else we need to do, and then do all the preparing stuff.
It's going to be so bad. It's an 18-miler. Oh my god, what did we get ourselves into? We only have one night. I'm nervous. I don't know anything about backpacking. We don't have any gear. It's an 18-miler.
In the Grand Canyon.
In the Grand Canyon.
Are we setting ourselves up to hate backpacking forever? Is that the goal of this? Is that the goal, to just be like, oh my god, we went backpacking once and it was absolutely terrible?
I can barely mountain bike. So we had to stop because I might throw up. Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. We're gonna have to work on cardio. I'm not worried about like my muscles as much. I'm worried about my cardio. Are you worried about your muscles?
I'm worried about my knee.
We have 10 days.
Megan's absolutely ridiculous. Look at this face of this ridiculous woman.
I said Matt can't plan. I think this is planned perfectly fine, baby. I think we can do it. You're so nervous.
Megan, is this a bad idea?
Are you a bad idea?
Don't project your insecurities on me. I know I can do it. I'm just not like...
Oh, really? Because you're the one who's nervous.
I'm nervous for you.
Stop being nervous about me. Damn.
You're the person I love, and I want to make sure that this makes it fun for me, too, not just for you.
We're going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to make all these meals. We're going to cook all this stuff.
We're going for one night. How many meals are we going to take?
Yeah. It's going to be fun.
Oh, my God.
So a one-night backpacking trip in the Grand Canyon for our first time backpacking. Insane. So right now, we are at a huge REI because we don't have anything you need to go backpacking.
We have water bottles and hiking shoes.
We have hiking shoes.
So,
yeah.
What else do we really need?
We have 7 days until our first backpacking trip.
Step 1, garage sale. All right, we got this one at the garage sale. It's normally like $500, right?
400.
It's normally $400. It's on sale for $216. Used once, but did not meet needs. Very specific. Ooh, look at these cool steaks.
Oh, wow. It looks like Christmas.
I love you. Oh, we're gonna be nice and cozy in that bad boy.
Yes, we will. I'm thinking we get in here and see if it's cozy.
I agree.
Ooh, it is cozy in here.
All right, this is luxury.
Oh, we can fit in there.
Yeah, we can definitely fit in here.
It's $200.
It's the cheapest one that we could possibly get, and it's normally like $400. So still got that new tent smell. It's called the Hubba Hubba. So what's not to love about that? Hubba Hubba.
The sleeping bags we need are so expensive. I seriously don't know if we can afford it. All right, I had to go back into the van. Honestly, I was feeling a little overwhelmed. This is a good thing about having your van with you everywhere you go. And I got really hungry. So all of this stuff is so expensive. We're both going to be spending like $1,000 each, I think.
Look who's in here now, having a little snack. Man, shopping for backpacking gets tiring because we've been in REI for like an hour. We have more time to go. We gotta try more bags. Wah. It feels like I still got a huge gap. 20.8.
20.8?
Yeah.
That guy's R value 3.3. Yeah, it has a patch kit in it.
Hoping these work out.
That's sick. If the only thing we have to buy new is the a sleeping bag for you and the backpacks, that's saving a bunch of money. It's all right. This video is gonna get a bazillion views.
Yeah. All right, homies. We just spent what, 4 to 5 hours at REI. Now we're gonna show you everything that we bought. Yay! All right, so we both got backpacking backpacks, both from Gregory. We didn't mean to get the same-ish color, but
I secretly did.
he wants to be me.
I want to be Megan.
Check this out.
Damn.
So I got the Maven 55 liter.
I got the Baltoro 65 because I know I'm gonna have to carry way more stuff because Megan's not gonna carry a
You're
lot.
being dramatic about it. MSR Hubba Hubba NX 2-person tent. It's only 3 pounds and 8 ounces.
Garage sale, baby. That was
Garage
a sick
sale.
find.
We
Oh,
rummaged that
hard.
garage sale.
We checked out everything.
Yeah. If you guys don't know, REI has a huge garage sale where they basically sell you like returned items at a discount.
Some of it's good, some of it's absolute crap, so make sure you check. All
Yeah.
sales are final.
I got a Big Agnes insulated Q-Core Deluxe.
I got the same one, except mine's like a little bit bigger.
It says heavily used, so
Yeah. If it deflates on me in the first night, hopefully it does not, but if it does,
you're only out 25
only
bucks.
out 25 bucks. I got some hiking poles because I think that's something I'm gonna need for all that downhill.
I got a new sleeping bag. This one is a Big Agnes Sidewinder Series SL and Camp. It's petite, so it's short.
And then my sleeping bag is old. I think it's a 40-degree bag. So I just grabbed a liner for it because rather than spending, you know, another $300 on a sleeping bag, I could spend $60 and now I have this.
It's dark out. We've been in there all day. We started asking a lot of people questions because this is something that we don't know how to do. We know how to camp, we know how to hike, we don't know how to backpack. And when you do something that will literally kill you if you're unprepared, you have to take the time to prepare. We realized that 2 liters each just isn't enough. So this would be 3 liters. Would that be enough?
could just grab a water bottle.
Yay!
Problem solved.
Yeah, so I'm in charge of the food preparation. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. Before you go on a backpacking trip, you have to like do the math on like the caloric value and like weigh that against like how many calories you're going to be burning during that trip. It's a whole thing, guys. It's a whole thing. We are at the second place we're going to get some gear at because REI didn't have any fuel, so we're hoping this mom and pop has some.
And it just screws onto the top of that.
Okay.
And then you can cook on it or heat water, whatever.
This size will be good for one night.
Oh yeah. That'll be like 60 minutes of burn time.
Damn! Who knew pillows would cost so much? They're like $60 for the good ones. And you know, Matt and I are bougie. $100 on pillows.
Fun fact, I never bought a pillow till I met Megan.
Matt just reminded me that we needed to be in the Grand Canyon in 3 days. I thought we had a whole week. I'm so not ready. I'm not ready.
Yo, backpacking is expensive.
Oh my gosh. We're not done. We still
Like,
have a bunch of stuff to buy.
All of the stuff you need to survive, plus like,
Make it packable.
yeah, and fit into a backpack. Like, we had to buy like, look at this little thing, just for fuel.
Sure.
We better love backpacking, otherwise we're returning everything.
I'm not ready to go. I'm not worried. I'm someone who likes to just like hammer out the challenges. And Matt's like, let's prepare, let's practice, let's do all of these extra things. And I'm like, no, I'm just gonna do
I
it.
probably won't even sleep. I didn't sleep last night very well because I was just so excited, and I'm just so ready to go.
The last thing we need to take care of for this backpacking trip, and we've been waiting to the last day to take care of this, is food. So we're at Sprouts and we're gonna pick up so many snacks and candy because you need to build up those calories during the trail. From what everyone says, food tends to be the most heavy part of the pack, and you kind of have to be methodical about what you bring on the trail. So we're only staying for one night. I feel like we're gonna be underweight. I say that now, but every ounce counts.
I got instant coffee, some beef jerky.
I'm getting these. Dark chocolate almonds. Sick deal. $4 a pound.
Sick.
What'd you get?
Big ass thing on apricots.
For those of you who saw our 6 months of spend video and you were like, you guys spend too much money on food. We know, and we're working on it, but we don't spend our money on much else, so it's kind of nice to treat yourself to good food. Anyways, we are all stocked up. We just need to pick up one more thing. Got the goods, baby.
Oh yeah, what you got?
Backpacker must. I got almond for me and regular for you.
Nice.
All right, I think we're ready to go.
Let's go. Finally
Let's
hit the
go.
road.
We've never gone to the Grand Canyon before, and we're about to go see it right now.
Hey there. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Great.
So she basically just told us everything we needed to know, and I'm glad I stopped in because I just like a good peace of mind. She was kind of like, ooh, you're gonna have a long first day, and we were like,
But we knew that.
all right, you ready to see the Grand Canyon for the first time?
Let's go.
Holy
Holy crap.
crap!
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
This is amazing.
Holy crap! Oh my god! Yeah! Holy crap! It truly is grand. Whatever you guys are looking at right now, it's so much better in person. Are you crying?
Are you crying?
I don't know. This is amazing. This is our first time at the Grand Canyon and we're so excited for this backpacking trip. I feel like it's gonna be an experience of a lifetime. So make sure you're subscribed to see our backpacking trip and it's gonna be incredible.